This wire go inside the turns from here. This little hole right here, we connect inside the socket. So this is how it go inside. Then outside you can plug on the timer or something. So just like this. This is the socket. So we're gonna open this at the bottom. So we're gonna open this one, then we can see where the wire can connect. So we turn off this plastic holder first. So like this. There's a 3 color. We put the blue one on the left. So remember, you have to put the wires under this Cooper sheet. This little one. If we put up, the screw cannot hold the wires. So if we put under this Cooper sheet and the screw, so you have to pull out a little bit, make sure it's tied up already. So, and the yellow one go the middle. The same thing. Have to under the again, I pull a little bit, make sure this tie up very strong. And the brown one go the right side. Then you put the wires inside. And turn back this plastic holder. And screw. Yeah, it's gone like this. Then we cover it. Then this socket is connected.